Today we're making air fryer beignets.
This recipe serves 16, takes 20 minutes of prep time, and about 30 minutes total time. The ingredients you'll need are 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Combine the sugar and cinnamon in a shallow bowl and set aside. A little flour for dusting, 1 package of flaky biscuit dough, 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate morsels, oil for spraying. Spray or brush oil on the trays of the deluxe air fryer, and 1 tablespoon of butter melted. Peel and divide each piece of biscuit in half to create 16 biscuits total. Dust a rolling pin with flour and roll out each biscuit to approximately 4 inches round. Dip the ham pie and pocket maker in flour and place the dough on top. Fill one side of the dough with 1 tablespoon of chocolate morsels and then press to seal. Remove from the pocket maker. Repeat for each piece of dough. Divide evenly onto both trays. Place the trays on the bottom 2 racks of your air fryer and cook on bake for 12 minutes until golden brown. If you decide to use a conventional oven instead of the air fryer, be sure and bake your dough at 350 degrees for 15 to 17 minutes. Be sure to rotate the trays halfway through cooking. When they're done, brush the tops with melted butter. And dip the butter side into the cinnamon and sugar mixture. If you like, you can drizzle chocolate sauce on top while they're still warm. Another thing that you can do with your ham pie makers is make little pizza pockets. So in this case, I just use a little pizza sauce, some chopped up pepperoni, and some cheese. These would be great for after-school snacks, or you could make a bunch and throw them in the freezer and have them handy when you want them. So many things that you can do with a ham pie and pocket maker. New this fall.